One with that morning, evening, noon, night. So she wants to big up on herself. That time of day, something there, that video, something there. So I wanted to do this video from Thursday, but I was seeking more info on the young lady right here that goes by the name Dancehall Queen Bumpa. I wanted to know her correct name and so forth, but let's go ahead and share what's later that I found. She's a mother of two boys, DeAndre and Teddy. Now on Wednesday, January 22nd, she went to a party, and I guess it's she and her friend Momo. They were doing this dance move which was supposed to be on her head top and some jumping extravagance. I could never understand it because as of late, a certain dance move, I don't see it as dancing because they really go hard and do some weird stuff. But being with the video, I see it as an accident. People are calling it otherwise. And Momo jumped on her, causing her to actually break her neck and passed away right there on the spot. If you want, you can take a look and judge by yourself. So my condolences to the Bumpa family.